I'm here at the chef's table. A fine dine. What is the fine dine? What kind of a fine dine have? At the chef's table, and I was so thrilled and I was so amazed by the ambience. Some like 14 course, and they have a main course of 14. So let's see what kind of food they're going to serve. And today, they serve us first the salad, kind of sauce you're gonna make it, or what kind of sauce you're gonna use. So they have a barbecue, they have sweet and, or this is also a garlic mayo or something. So let's try. And this
It's a barbecue sauce.
So this is our first meal, and this is a soup where it's a like a garlic butter, a garlic bread. The soup is like a little bit like a mushroom soup in the shape, and the balance, the the taste of the soup is really good. Not that salty, not that thick sauce or something, but it's really nice. So this is our second course. It's the beef pakora, and it's only like one bite. Go inside with a twist of a lime. This is our third course, third main course. It's chicken tikka. Sauce is so creamy, chicken is so tender. It's so good. Like you're eating like really, you can experience really the fine dine that I'm saying. So this is our fourth course. This is the garlic beef. So let's try. So amazing. The meat, like when you chew it, it's so easy to chew, and you can feel the aroma of the garlic. This is my fifth, and this is mutton chop. Mutton chop. So chewy, so soft. The meat and perfect the way how they I think they made it like a barbecue. So now we have the shrimp, and this is our sixth main course. Garlic, prawns, with the presentation with the aquarium, and the presentation was so amazing. It's so spicy, but if you love spicy with the prawns and this kind of presentation food, it's for you. Black dal actually. Amazing. It's a madka biryani. Madka beef biryani. So good. Beef is so soft when you eat it, when you chew it. Oh my god. Perfect combination. So they serve us this. It's like a popsicle. And, to clean the first things that we eat. So they have like at least three kinds of dessert that they given us. Actually, this is a pan ice cream. Halwa puri, it's halwa only. So this is rabri. Serve as gulab jamun.
Creamy, so milky. It's really good. Let's have the halwa. So I really enjoyed tonight, guys, and it's really like you can say I really had fun. The place that you're dining in, it's really fascinating because um, you can say the environment are really like really fine dine because it's a really classic. That the serve, the way their table settings and everything, that the dessert was so amazing, and they never fail me about the dessert. So goodbye and see you next time. Bye.